Animals have rights over us, based on an article by Afsan Ridwan. Islam asserts a harmonious balance between the rights of animals and the interests of humans. Izz-ud-Din Abdus-Salam died 1262 stated, "The rights of creatures and animals over humanity are the following. 1. Provide for them as they require, even if they are aged and sickened, such that no benefit comes from them. 2. Don't burden them beyond what they can bear. 3. Don't put them together with another creature that could injure it, even of its own kind. 4. Slaughter them with gentleness, without flaying skins or breaking bones before death. 5. Don't slaughter their young in front of them. 6. Make their resting and watering places comfortable. 7. Put the males and females together during their mating seasons. 8. Do not discard what has been hunted. Don't make their sacrifice be in vain. 9. Do not shoot them with anything that breaks their bones or harms them by any means. For if they are harmed, their meat will be rendered forbidden.